वो वाला जब बायस बीच में आता है ना, सो नो मैटर हाउ गुड यू आर, समटाइम्स पीपल एंड सीनियर्स चूज फ्रेशमैन जो कि उनको पसंद है, या फिर जो कि फेस्ट्स आर रियल शाइनी एंड अ मेजर इवेंट on the outside, only on the outside. They become really, really high headed. I've seen people boast about themselves or get super egoistic because now they're part of a particular community. It was my fourth or fifth day in college, and I vividly remember that these two seniors, they called me to their hostel rooms at I think 3 in the morning. एंड देयर हॉस्टल रूम वॉज वन ऑफ द ओल्ड वंस. मतलब वहाँ पे इतना सुनसान था वो कि कोई भी हॉरर मूवी शूट हो जाएगी और स्टूडेंट्स को पता भी नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि यार बस पड़े हुए थे स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ पे, कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, एकदम एकदम खाली सुनसान. और काफ़ी टाइम बाद ऐसे टॉर्च लाइट से रूम ढूंढ कर मुझे वो कॉरिडोर मिला, और उस कॉरिडोर में एंटर करते ही वहाँ पे जो ट्यूबलाइट लगी हुई थी, पहले तो इतनी डिम थी, और उस डिम सी ट्यूबलाइट के ऊपर एक ब्लड रेड सेलोफेन पेपर लगा हुआ था. और पूरा विंग ऐसा स्मेल कर रहा था मानो ऐसे सिगरेट की एड शूट हो रही हो यहाँ पे, और सब बस फूक के पड़े हुए हैं. द मोमेंट आई एंटर्ड द रूम, बोथ ऑफ देम हैड अ सिगरेट इन देयर हैंड, एंड समथिंग रियली अनएक्सपेक्टेड हैपेंड. Instead of ragging me, which I thought what would happen there, they just started to bitch about every single club and department in my college. Except theirs, obviously. I didn't speak a word because all I was doing was trying to hide my laughter. I will never be able to forget how sort of stupid and just funny that night was. Pro tip, if somebody does this to you, and I hope they don't, just completely blacklist those seniors. उनसे भाई दूर रहना बहुत better है. Collect happy vibes in college, and this is far from positive. Hey guys, this is Ayush back again with another episode of Cup Noodles to Career podcast, where we discuss everything about college life. A lot of juniors have asked me about what club or college to join, and I've also been at a position where I was constantly bugging my seniors, asking them which club is right for me, or is this club nice, will I learn something from this club, or is that one any good, or should I even join any? Scene क्या है भाई, बताओ मुझे. The thing is, most of the seniors will have a biased view, and so did I. It's very natural. Bias comes in naturally when you're part of a system. It is only when you come out of it that you realize कि यार ये क्या कर दिया मैंने. Hence, I'll try to keep my views as neutral as I can. I'll give you a list of pros and I'll give you a list of cons, and then a personal opinion. After that, you are smart enough, you're smarter than me to choose for yourself. For people who are new to this, club is a community of like-minded people who are interested in a particular hobby, जैसे फिल्म मेकिंग हो गया, या फिर म्यूज़िक हो गया, फोटोग्राफी हो गया, डिबेटिंग हो गया, डांसिंग हो गया. मोस्टली कॉलेजेस में बेसिक क्लब्स तो होते ही हैं. मेरा सीन थोड़ा ओवर द टॉप था बिट्स पिलानी में. वो उसका रीज़न बताता हूँ क्या था. सो बिट्स पिलानी ऑफर्स अ वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ क्लब्स एंड डिपार्टमेंट्स टू चूज़ फ्रॉम. अभी हर कॉलेज का नोमेनक्लेचर डिफरेंट होता है. मेरे कॉलेज में क्या था कि जो क्लब्स थे वो सेग्रीगेटेड थे हॉबी वाइज. मतलब फोटोग्राफी है तो उसके लिए क्लब होगा, डिपार्टमेंट नहीं होगा. डिपार्टमेंट वो ग्रुप हैं जो कि फेस्ट के लिए काम करते हैं, सिर्फ फेस्ट के लिए. क्लब्स, फेस्ट और इन जनरल हर टाइम एक्टिव रहते हैं. मतलब मेरे कॉलेज में कुछ ज़्यादा ही अनोखा सीन था कि दो म्यूज़िक क्लब थे, दो कोडिंग क्लब थे. बट यू गेट द पॉइंट. ये इसलिए भी था क्योंकि यार पिलानी एकदम डेजर्टेड से एरिया में है, कॉलेज के बाहर कुछ करने को है नहीं, तो बच्चों को भाई टाइम पास करने के लिए कुछ चाहिए था कॉलेज में. एंड दिस इज़ द रीज़न वाई. Now that you know what a club is, I am going to be talking about its disadvantages, its advantages, and I'll briefly share a personal opinion. थोड़ा सा अपना experience बताऊंगा कि मेरा कैसा रहा था. But yeah, before any further to do, let's get right into the advantages. But उससे पहले, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, प्लीज़ डू दैट. फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम @CNTC Social. हम यहाँ पे वीकली पॉडकास्ट करते हैं. वहाँ पे तुम्हें एवरी डे कुछ ना कुछ ज्ञान मिलेगा फ्रॉम नॉट जस्ट मी बट अ लॉट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री प्रोफेशनल्स. सो डू दैट. Okay, let's come to the advantages. First of all, when you're part of a community, you dwell more because you get to learn from each other. You get to know different perspectives. You can collaborate to increase your knowledge and your skill set. All these things are difficult to pursue if you're not a part of a community. Let's take the example of a dance club. Suppose I specialize in a particular dance form, say freestyle, but because I'm constantly hanging out with people who do classical or any other dance form, I can always sort of learn from them. There's also a sense of belonging within the community members, hence, they'll go out of their way to help you. Why? Just because you belong to the same community. Because of this, I ended up learning a lot of skills, and especially soft skills that I wouldn't have otherwise if I was on my own. I chose filmmaking as a potential career option because some of my seniors in the filmmaking club saw my potential and they motivated me to learn properly and get better. They even shared their own knowledge, their own experiences, which was really, really beneficial. Moving on to the second point is team spirit and just being able to work in a team. If you want to climb the ladder of success, you will have to collaborate. You cannot do everything on your own. You have to play by your strengths and let others do the same. Build your strengths, outsource your weaknesses. I personally did not know how to work in a team. I always wanted to take over the project and do everything on my own. These clubs sort of taught me that it's important to move together. If you walk alone, you walk fast, but if you walk together, you always walk far. This philosophy changed the way I used to look at teamwork. This philosophy changed the way I used to look at delegating work. And I really wish I had learned this earlier. But it's very important to learn how to play and work in a team for the best growth in the long run. Next up is indirect learning. These are skills which you don't acquire objectively. These are soft skills, some things which you sort of acquire when you are part of a group, when you talk to people. Working in a group gives you that opportunity to talk to your peers, seniors, juniors on a daily basis. This is a great exercise for your soft skills, how you accept work, how you convince somebody to do something, how you make people work, how you delegate things, etc., how you talk to people. And there are a lot of these soft skills which you learn when you're part of this community. These are some of those skills which you naturally acquire while working in and for a community. Talking of soft skills, clubs are a great way to build your network, both professionally and personally. For a lot of people, this group of 30-40 people on campus become their family, and these people also become a valuable asset to your professional network once you actually start working and you have a job. And over here as well, the community thing will come into picture, and they'll always go out of their way to help you. If not out of their way, then definitely more than what they would have offered to somebody who wasn't part of their community. Something which we just cannot ignore is that when you're part of a club, you get access to resources. In cases where a particular hobby requires like really expensive gear and equipments, this can be really, really helpful. Being part of, let's say, a photography club or a music club can give you access to a really good camera or really good musical instruments even when you're learning, which you might not be able to access otherwise. And then obviously some really skilled seniors who will help you get a hang of all of this stuff. Lastly, it's just fun because in a college group, you fail together, you succeed together, you face challenges together, and you have fun along the way. And I think it's the most crucial part of your college life, to have fun. As much as these years are crucial for your growth, it is really, really important to have fun and enjoy your college life, because this ain't coming back, bro. You get a beautifully diverse group outside of your everyday friend circle. Clubs can be a beautiful family which can really, really help you become an all-rounder. Okay, please note that these advantages which I just mentioned, these pros, will only come into picture if you're actually active in the community. The more you give back to the community, the more you get out of it. Just joining a bunch of clubs and societies doesn't mean anything. It doesn't make you a better individual, and this was one of the things which I thought was true. I eventually, although, left working for most of the clubs, not because they were not good, but because I just found a different calling altogether. So if I just have to share my experience, I left most of the clubs except the filmmaking club after my second year, but it was a choice which was not taken because the clubs weren't good or anything. चलो अब थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में आते हैं. देखो हर चीज़ के अपने पॉजिटिव्स और नेगेटिव्स होते हैं एंड आई से दिस ऑल द टाइम दैट टेक एवरीथिंग दैट आई से विद अ ग्रेन ऑफ सॉल्ट. कोई पूरी तरीके से सही या गलत नहीं होता, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. आज तुमने मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव जाना, कल किसी और का भी सुनना. कभी एक वीडियो देख के या कभी एक बंदे की सलाह लेके कुछ काम नहीं करना चाहिए. वो कहते हैं ना, सुनो सबकी, करो अपनी. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स. हमेशा ये याद रखना कि ये जो नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स हैं चीज़ों के, ये मेरे एक्सपीरियंस हैं. तो सबका एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा नहीं होता, सबका एक्सपीरियंस यूनिक होता है. सो द थिंग्स विच अप्लाई टू मी मे और मे नॉट अप्लाई टू यू. चलो, सबसे बड़ा जो नेगेटिव है, जो मुझे लगता है कि दिस अ कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन अमंगस्ट first year students, that now because they don't have access to a community, now that they're not part of a club or a department, they won't be able to learn at all. Or people who end up in a club are superior in skills or otherwise. Students start to think that if you're not part of a club, then you're not talented and that you're not good enough. Maybe if you play guitar, let's say, and if you're not part of, let's say, the music club, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं तुम में कमी रही होगी. This cannot be farther from the truth. It is the case sometimes that you might lack a certain skill, but there's no point dreading over it. I mean, कि तुम सोचते रहो बैठ के कि यार म्यूजिक क्लब में नहीं हुआ, I mean, why should I play the guitar now? Because दो तीन चीज़ें होती हैं. Sometimes people fail to see the skill and the potential in you, and बाकी कुछ टाइम पे क्या होता है यार, even if you possess the skill and even if they're able to see it, बहुत बार पार्शियलिटी हो जाती है, बहुत बार पॉलिटिक्स हो जाती है इन क्लब्स और डिपार्टमेंट्स से, जो मैंने बहुत देखा. बहुत बचकानी हरकत है, जो ऐसी बचकानी हरकत जो कि हर जगह होगी, तुम्हारे ऑफिस में भी होगी, तुम्हारे कंपनीज में भी होगी, बट होता है ऐसा. एंड वो वाला जब बायस बीच में आता है ना, सो नो मैटर हाउ गुड यू आर, समटाइम्स पीपल एंड सीनियर्स चूज़ फ्रेशमैन जो कि उनको पसंद हैं या फिर जो कि येस मैन हैं, मतलब समझ रहे हो. तो इतना दिल पे लेने की बात नहीं है. इफ़ यू डोंट गेट सेलेक्टेड ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर क्लब और अ डिपार्टमेंट, यू कैन ऑलवेज एक्सप्लोर दैट स्किल ऑन योर ओन. ऑल्सो एक बात बताऊँ, एकदम अंदर की बात बताऊँ, क्लब्स जो है ना, दे आर मैसिवली ओवररेटेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव स्किल बेस्ड वैल्यू दैट दे गिव यू. मतलब अगर तुम क्लब को सिर्फ इसलिए ज्वाइन कर रहे हो ना कि यार मैं फ़ोटोग्राफी क्लब इसलिए ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे फ़ोटोग्राफी और सिर्फ फ़ोटोग्राफी सीखनी है, तो मत ज्वाइन करो. क्योंकि सिर्फ जो ऑब्जेक्टिव स्किल होती है ना, उसको सिखाने में क्लब इज़ नॉट द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट वे. क्योंकि क्लब के अंदर क्या होगा, तुम्हारी मस्ती होंगी, तुम्हारा सॉफ्ट स्किल सीखोगे, तुम इधर उधर के काम करोगे, तुम्हारा आधा टाइम तो फेस्ट के एक स्टैंडी से दूसरे स्टैंडी बस इधर उधर करने में चला जाएगा. तो सीन ऐसा है कि सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव स्किल सीखनी है तो भाई खुद अपनी विल से सीखो वाली स्किल जो है. सो या पॉइंट बीइंग, डोंट गेट डिसहार्टन्ड, यू कैन कम्प्लीटली लर्न ऑन योर ओन. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट अप, इट इज़ अ वेरी controversial statement and this is a negative effect on student who actually get into a club. सबके साथ नहीं होता, कुछ लोगों के साथ होता है. तो so to say कुछ recognized और famous clubs होते हैं हर कॉलेज के अंदर, और बहुत बार क्या होता है कि उनका जो रिक्रूटमेंट का प्रोसेस होगा ना, वही बड़ा ऐसे हार्श होगा. एंड वंस somebody gets into it, they become really high-headed. I've seen people boast about themselves or get super egoistic because now they're part of a particular community. They start tripping on their power and are often condescending to people around them. Especially वो लोग जो फेस्ट का काम करते हैं. भाई मतलब गजब है लोग. Because fests are real shiny and a major event on the outside, only on the outside. And in this shine, the person who doesn't have their feet on the ground, they get really delusional. कुछ भी करना, ये बंदे से पहले ना just freaking evaluate and take a reality check. 60 to 70% of the work that goes into making a fest is groundwork, which is not shiny at all. When I say groundwork, इधर भागना, उधर भागना, ये काम करना, वो काम करना, ये चीज़ उठाना, वो चीज़ उठाना. You will see these people run around and act कि भाई अगर ये काम नहीं हुआ ना तो भाई फेस्ट तो डूब जाएगा. And all they do, not all, I mean they do work, but their major part is gone in smoking cigarettes, in bitching about other people. So chill karo. Most of the work is pretty basic. They'll sell you this groundwork as VIP and premium and this, you know, this community. It's just glorified groundwork, which is very basic. No doubt, there's a lot of learning in the groundwork and you will eventually come out as a smarter person eventually. But never be too proud if you get to that position. Nobody got a job because they escorted a chief guest at their fest. So don't be envious. Chill. This work does teach you a lot, but doesn't give you the right to be high-headed. Actually, nothing does. So if you have somebody in your group who is doing that to you or to your friends, उनको दो जाके एक बार रियलिटी चेक दो ज़रा. दिस इज ऑल्सो सब्जेक्टिव, बट एक बात बताता हूँ. द बेस्ट सिंगर सॉन्ग राइटर फ्रॉम माई कॉलेज who actually has published music and a good chunk of followers left the music club, was not part of the music club after like 6 months or so. Some of the best coders I know, they were never in coding club. ठीक है, तो चिल करो, इतना सोचने की बात नहीं है. सब सीन सॉर्ट है, अपने हिसाब से चीज़ें आगे बढ़ानी होती है. लेट्स कम टू द वेस्टेड टाइम, द पॉलिटिक्स. तुम यार कहीं भी चले जाओ, ग्रुप टैक्टिक्स, पॉलिटिक्स, ये चीज़ें कभी छोड़ेंगी नहीं तुम्हें. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ये हर क्लब और डिपार्टमेंट में होता है, बट दिस क्रश्ड मी इन कॉलेज. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी दैट यू फिट इन द वर्क कल्चर. कुछ भी गलत वर्क कल्चर या सही वर्क कल्चर नहीं है, इट्स वॉट यू फिट इन. आइडेंटिफाई करो. अगर वो नहीं कराना तो मतलब इट विल जस्ट क्रश यू, योर सेल्फ एस्टीम. इट्स नॉट अ प्रिटी पिक्चर. So many people around me used to make tactics and make amends, and a lot of this used to go in the wrong, unethical direction to win or achieve a certain thing. This is bullshit. Complete bullshit. I know people will tell you that you have to be smart to climb the ladder, and this is a smart way. That's maybe true, but पूरी रात bitching करके और सांप बन के भाई nobody has gotten far. So chill. And even if they have, good for them. But higher, I would suggest, and this is what I did, stay away from all of this negativity, because it's really not worth it, man. I think all of this stuff makes our thinking narrower and narrower and narrower. Always be open to things. Don't go down in this negativity loophole, and just look and explore for beautiful things outside. There is a lot of positivity. But higher, in that exploration, if you think this is your cup of tea, definitely do it. Again, सबके लिए अलग चीज़ें काम करती हैं. A lot of times also wasted on doing nothing. मतलब absolutely nothing. When you're part of a club or a group where you don't have any such client or monetary deadlines, apart from the fests obviously, then you can get super lazy. And a group of lazy people is essentially a day lost within a snap. Okay? So don't forget your priorities and don't get too involved in these clubs, because these are extracurricular activities. Remember that. So manage your time well, because that's something जो मुझसे नहीं हो पाया था. Time management is really, 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 really important. All right, that's pretty much it with the pros and cons. अब थोड़ा सा personal ज्ञान, थोड़ा सा personal experience. देखो यार, बहुत बार बोला इस एपिसोड में कि टेंशन नहीं लेने का यार. नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं होता. और अगर हो गया और फिर मज़ा नहीं आता तो छोड़ देने का. इतना सोचने का नहीं भाई. अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ सिर्फ कॉलेज के अंदर नहीं होती हैं, बाहर भी होती हैं. सो लुक आउट एंड एक्सप्लोर. Help small businesses, do an internship, assist some professional, an artist, a coder, any skill. If you have the will, it will come to you. थोड़ा सा राइम हो गया ना. बाकी कुछ भी ज्वाइन करने से पहले हमेशा रिप्लाई करने का टाइम मांग लेना. एक छोटा सा टिप है, एकदम फटाफट से हाँ या ना मत बोल देना. मैं ना, पता क्या होता है मेरे साथ कि मुझे कभी वैसे इंटरेस्टिंग सा ऑफ़र आता है, मैं एकदम एक्साइटेड होके हाँ मुझे चाहिए, ना मुझे नहीं चाहिए. ये मत करना. सो आराम से सोचना, अपना पूरा एक दिन लेना. सी इफ़ the club or the department is the right fit for you. See if the people are the right fit for you, because that is very important. But yeah, that's pretty much it. आज का ज्ञान सेश is over, and that was pretty much it for our today's podcast episode. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे podcast रिकॉर्ड करने में. एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दो एप्पल पॉडकास्ट पे हो तो, फॉलो कर दो स्पॉटिफाई पे हो तो, यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, फटाफट से लाइक वाइक दबा देना. एंड डू फॉलो अस ऑन @CNTC Social on Instagram for more daily ज्ञान in bites rather than weekly ज्ञान जो हम पॉडकास्ट पे देते हैं. बट ठीक है, चलो हो गया, चलें, ख़त्म करा जाए. ओके, बाय बाय.